our sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a length of 27 inches, a depth 34 inches, and a height of 44 inches tall with cover. Minus the cover, we have 35.5 inches. Included are 12 pans. You get 3 small pans and 9 large pans. Total of 12 pans included. The measurements for the small pans, we have 6 3/4 inches in depth, 4 1/4 inches in length, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 small pans included. Measurements for the large pans, we have 6.5 inches in length, 7 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 9 large pans included. Measurements for the cutting board, we have 27 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Coming below is our refrigeration along with the adjustable shelf. Measurements for the shelf include 22 inches in length by 17 inches in depth. Interior dimensions, we have 23 inches in length, 12 3/4 inches in depth, by 21 inches in height. Located to the right will be the ETL NSF certification. Coming to the back is the temperature control along with the 110 and 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.